Hello everyone. Before starting our lesson today about superlative adjectives, we will revise what are the comparative adjectives. The comparative adjectives are used to compare between two people or two things or two animals. I'll put the adjective, then add er plus than. For example, here Jerry is smaller than Tom. Why I'm putting er plus than? Because I'm comparing between two. Only two. Tom and Jerry, right? And as I told you before, if we have one vowel plus one consonant, I'll double the consonant, then add er. It will be bigger. Here for hot, if I have one vowel plus one consonant, I'll double the consonant, then add er. It will be hotter. If we have fat, I have one vowel plus one consonant, I'll double the consonant, then add er. If we have two animals, elephant and the ant, and I'd like to compare between them. So, if I'm starting by the elephant, I'll say the elephant is bigger than the ant. But if I'm starting by the ant, I'll say the ant is smaller than the elephant. Okay, now let's start our lesson for today. We'll talk about superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives. Okay, what are the superlative adjectives? We use superlative adjectives to compare more than two animals, or more than two people, or more than two things. Okay, the plus adjective plus est. So again, I'll put the plus the adjective plus est. Okay, here, as we told for the comparative adjectives, we will repeat it for the superlative one. Okay, if I have one vowel plus one consonant, I'll double the consonant, then add est. It will be the biggest. Okay, here hot, because we have one vowel plus one consonant, I'll double the consonant, then add est. One vowel for fat plus one consonant, I'll double the consonant, plus est. It will be fattest. And the last one, thin, I have one vowel plus one consonant, I double the consonant, then add est. Okay, if we'd like to say that the cat is small, but if I'd like to add another animal here, for example, the rat, so I say the cat is or the rat is smaller than the cat. Again, the rat is smaller than the cat. But if I'd like to add another animal here, it will be the ant, for example. So I'll say also smaller than? No, because I have more than two. I have three. So I'll add est. So I say the ant is the smallest animal in the group. The ant is the smallest animal in the group. Okay, here if we have the rat is big, so I'd like to add another animal here, for example the monkey. So I say the monkey is bigger than the rat. The monkey is bigger than the rat. But if I'd like to add another animal here, it will be bigger than? No, because I have more than two. I have three animals. I have the rat, the monkey, and the elephant. So I'll add est. It will be the elephant is the biggest animal in the group. I put the plus the adjective, and here I double the consonant, plus est. Why I put the plus adjective plus est? Because I have more than two. Okay, here we have 3, right? I'm comparing more than 2. So I say the airplane is the fastest one in the group. Why I put the plus the adjective plus est? Because I have more than 2. More than 2. Okay, here we have more than 2. We have 4 animals, right? 4 animals. Okay, if I'd like to start by the giraffe, I'll say the giraffe is the tallest animal in the group. But if I'd like to start by the ant, it will be the ant is the shortest animal in the group. Okay? So here the giraffe is the tallest animal in the group and the ant is the shortest animal in the group. Okay, why I put that plus the adjective plus est? Because I have more than 2. More than 2. Okay, let's practice together. Okay, here summer is hot than winter. Okay, we have to compare between 2, only 2, right? Summer and cold or summer and winter. Okay, so I'll put er or est. Er, it will be hotter. Why? Because I have than and I'm comparing between 2. I'm comparing between 2. Alright, number 2, a turtle is slow than a rat. We have only 2, so I'll put er or est. Er. Why? Because I'm comparing between 2, the turtle and the rat. So a turtle is slower than a rabbit. Okay. Number 3, February is the short month of the year. How many months of the year? 12, right? So I'm comparing February with all the other months of the year. So I have 2 or more than 2? More than 2. It will be shortest. Okay, number 4, your Christmas tree is tall than mine. It will be is taller. Why I put er? Because I have to compare between 2. Compare between 2. Okay, number 5, the airplane is the fast means of transport. Here I'm comparing the airplane with all the other means of transport. So I'll put est, fastest. Okay, number 6, my cousin Mona is the youngest. Yeah, why I put est? Because I'm comparing Mona with all the other girls in my family. Number 7, summer is the hot season of all. I'm comparing summer with all the other seasons, so I'll put er or est. No, est. So it will be hottest. Number 8, the elephant is the big of all African animals. It will be bigger or biggest. It will be biggest. Okay, let's go to the sheet. Okay, let's go to here. Number 1, the elephant is the biggest. Yes. Talia is the shortest girl in the class because I'm comparing Talia with all the other girls. It will be shortest. Number 3, summer is the hottest. Yes, because I'm comparing summer with all the other seasons. Number 4, the giraffe is the tallest. Yes, because I'm comparing the giraffe with all the other land animals. Yes, right. Number 5, I am the youngest person. Why? Because I'm comparing myself with all the other persons in my family. Okay, let's go to the last exercise. Supply the missing parts. Okay, we will use one of these adjectives, right, in each part. Okay, number 1, summer is the hottest season. Number 2, I am the oldest person in my family. Number 3, the last one, Matt is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, thanks very much and see you later. Goodbye.